everyone, welcome to Emmy's Playtime. We're going to be exploring a wooden camp stove playset. You ready to go camping, Emmy?
Yeah.
Let's see what it comes with. Comes with a camp stove and 24 pieces. We're going to be looking for cookware, dishes, utensils. It even comes with marshmallows. Let's open the box. These must be all the accessories. It comes with tongs,
Mommy, can you help me?
comes with the grill, green spoon and fork, comes with the spatula, a knife, and this must be the grill. Let's open it up. Whoa! Let's put the pieces together. It even comes with a green mug. This is where we're going to boil some water. Here are our knobs. Comes with delicious pancakes, a patty, vegetables, macaroni and cheese, my favorite. Comes with an egg and a fish.
Yummy.
That's gonna taste yummy on the grill. Comes with 2 orange plates, a pot. This is the egg. Hot cocoa, marshmallows, coffee, cider, and tea and lemon. Yummy! It even comes with a menu. For breakfast, what would you like to eat, Emmy?
I would like some eggs and bacon.
And I want some yummy pancakes. Let's turn on the griddle. We're gonna make it nice and warm. Let's go ahead and put our egg. And our pancake. Let's find our bacon. Here's our yummy bacon. Here's your delicious egg and bacon. Enjoy. I think I'm gonna make another egg. Let's crack the egg. I think I smell my delicious pancake. It's got some syrup and butter.
Yummy.
And I'm gonna get the eggie out, all done. What should we make next? Let's make some warm tea. Let's turn that on. Here's your warm cup. Here's my tea with lemon. Pour the warm water. Yummy! What's on the menu for lunch? We have hot dogs, cheeseburgers, hard-boiled eggs, mac and cheese, or beans. What do you want to eat, Emmy? You want some mac and cheese? And I'll make a cheeseburger with a side of beans. Let's turn on the grill. This is the grill. Let's turn it on high. And let's get the burger. Make it nice and hot. I think your mac and cheese are done. Are you ready to eat? Can I have your orange plate?
Yummy.
Macaroni and cheese. This is for you. Let's put the beans inside. I think my patty's done. Delicious.
Yummy.
I think I'm gonna have some cider. There's some cider with cinnamon. Nice and warm. Oh no, I think the beans are burning. Quick, can I get a plate, please? Ooh, yummy. Look at those beans. You want to try some of my beans?
Oh, yes.
What else can we make on the grill? It's about time for dinner. Let's see what's on the menu. We have fish, rice, and mixed vegetables. Look at that big fish you caught, Emmy. Can you cut it up and put it on the grill? Good job. Let's turn it on high. And let's stick our rice in. And our yummy vegetables. Peas, my favorite, peas and carrots. Mix it up. I think I'm gonna have some hot cocoa with marshmallows. The fish looks done. Are you ready to eat the fish? Yummy fish with some vegetables and rice. Better turn off the grill.
That was so yummy.
It was so much fun playing with the wooden camp stove playset. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. We'll see you next time.